Bless up, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the show, So Jamaica. Right now, we switch part Khago, dancehall artist Khago. Forward and I say, yo, him life in a danger after speaking about cartel case previously. And right now, it's like say the fans them take it the wrong way. You see it? Khago forward and it's like him I say, yo, cartel have to ease off of the texting and thing and nobody diss the people them cause right now it's like same and in a fire ma fi taking time and pull it out. So it's like say right now some man not really take them thought they too lightly, you see it? And some man I say, yeah, yeah, my brother, speak less pan the boss name. Straight like that. Now people drop on the comments in this section there. Now when you think say that makes sense in a case like this, in a moment like this, where things really serious at this moment. You think this is the moment for some fans for go out of them way for send death threat towards another artist after the cartel I got you so far. I don't think are the appropriate moment for that still. If it actually goes so, that's our next thing too. Cause can't really just run it everything a year, but I don't think a man I go forward right now and I say I get death threat on him life if him not really get death threat. So you understand? Mm. But right now people think I be a talking at the streets. Right now, you see a tape drop, and them a say it not new, with Lizard old lady, a baller say, boy, the boss out for forward the road and she not get no justice. And then you have a next lady, drop a next video again, and I say, she a ball like, say, boy, I fear pain alone, you know? So, it's like pain right across the board. So, people is a touchy situation. You see it? And in a case like this, you have to just pray for the best outcome. You understand? Because at the end of the day, we are not the judge and the lawyer. You understand? And you have the man them there, they are fight for them life. So this real serious, you understand? So regardless what people want to go up online and blog about and or sit down and talk about, the fact remains say the man still have some serious thing a go on and me know say the man wouldn't want to know say people that are rather saying death threat while them I go through some serious technicality right now, especially at this moment where from things go smooth, you know what I mean? The man can walk. The man don't want nobody to put none like that on him name still. Actually, everybody responsible for them own action. So them can't really say them will put that pan cartel. You understand? See the perfect counsel just say the man no longer guilty of murder, you know. You see me? So you're innocent until proven guilty. You understand? So them not have that pan the man book no more. So that's wonderful. But as far as for a man drop him opinion and end up I get death threat still, that's a little extreme. You know the thing set already, you know. And the added situation and the environment already. You know the thing already, you know, people. And you see the thing is still when a man are your fan in a virgin, some fans go extreme, you know. You have some fans where we rate the artist so much that's you see happening in other genre. You see it where them say them are fans and them get so obsessed that they will want or the same artist where them say them rate. It's a funny thing, you know. But yeah man, right now still we see even which part footer hype I get burn out right now. Footer hype, but where you get yourself in a drag. Yo, I be a drama right now cause Vegas right now and footer hype have them drama where it's like say boy the man them a try to expose footer. Footer a be a drama your name attached to you know me J. You see it? Why they are J free fish fry? And now Vega drop Vice Note. So right now what them a say is it's like say footer hype I try to fool people, you know, cause 1 minute him a burn out. You can't burn out a man and want to work with a man, you know, basically. You know? So it's like Them I wonder right now if Foota Hype I do it just see the views and the entertainment right. If him not really serious. Yo, that one the bad. Vegas beat him bad with that one there. Foota Hype forward and say, I no walk in no more. I swim and talk. You see me? Foota say, yo, them a get walkie. I be a juice. Them a, yo, me don't, yo, pause. We don't even, Foota, me don't even believe say you talk like that, brother. You understand? But I feel them thing that still. Them a nasty up business. Foota Hype, you have to go defend your name, you know, cause you can't say, a hombre there, a fish and then the fish a call you body police, you know. So if your brother, you have to go defend that. We don't know where I go on. I remember you know that you said Jeffrey a fish, you know, and Jeffrey say, yeah, body police. So you have to go defend your thing, brother. Photo hype. For we see you do on the internet, but I know we know you better than that. You're not gonna make that slide like that. No, I me not see no way possible. Yeah, here. Oh, you gonna make that slide? Well, right now, everybody still a wait if you see what I go on when them a go release the artist them. You see it? But people not fi know say still the man them have to go back to court. You see me? Enough people they really feel like say boy. You see, if them only way them would have been released like that, if them would just tell them from the perfect council say, look, closed case or anything like that, then them would have at least 24 to 48 hours or something like that to release them. You understand me? But them still have to go through a process. You know what I mean? It's still a process to go through and courts still have to make them decision and thing like that. And in a technical space, cause remember, you know, the whole reason of this case why it reached to the Privy Council was because him never get a fair situation, right? And then it's so much things behind this thing. It's like sometimes it's hard to say yeah, even a report on a thing because it's too much different things. You don't know who to believe, what to believe. The things that you watch and you listen and you think say it did right. Only if you find out say few days later that never did right. None at all. A be a thing. A be a miss news. That's why even at the court certain thing can't stand. Cause a be a misleading news. You understand? Yeah man, the thing forget straight up man. Get to go on man and stop mislead the thing start. Yeah man. And we look forward to see the artist forward. You know? Yeah. So Jamaica smash it like and tell Khago say to big up himself. Yeah man.